Hey, what's up everybody? Mike here, and today we're going to learn in a real quick video here how to set up custom table view cell size. So, if you have extra text and you want the table view to show to fit each individual text rather than setting the row height in code or in Interface Builder, I'll show you how to do it custom using AutoLayout. So, alright, let's get started. It's really as easy as setting auto layout within the cell. So you want to highlight the cell, go in here, and you want to see where it says table view cell row height. You want to check that custom box right there. See, it already starts messing with me as soon as you uncheck it. And you can slide this, if you're using a zip file, nib file, it's a little different. But right here, I like to use it this way, and you can slide this however big you want it. It's going to adjust when the app runs, like it's not going to look like this. So where I have right now, everything is set up. You can download this in the comments below. I'll put a comment to this GitHub. You want to get the branch that is, what is it called? AutoLayout-starter. So download that one, or you can clone the whole thing. Also do a tutorial on accessibility with this, so check that out too. This is kind of a precursor to that, because whenever you use accessibility, you want it to auto-adjust when people use the text like super large. There's a lot of people have vision issues. So so what I'm doing right here is it's a store list basically. That you can select each store, and once you select the store, it'll jump over to the to-do list or the shopping list for each store. Let me just build and run, show you how that works real quick. Here it is. So you can see we got these 4 stores. They have a price level associated with them, and then the list of items for each individual store. You can go through the code and to understand it a little more, but for now what we see is there's supposed to be a little price level under this. None of it's showing because we haven't set up the auto resizing. So let's do that now. And all you have to do is apply auto layout to the cell. So for the logo, I'm going to be using this little number over here. For the logo, we just want it to be 5 off the side, and set the width and height to fixed amounts. And you see it still needs to be centered vertically. So there we go. That one's all set up. And for these, we just have to set some boundaries. And then for this, it's going to be 0, 0. And then 5, because I want it to get to the edge of this before it wraps over. So we're going to do that. And also, you want to make sure that the lines, number of lines, especially if, in case there's a store name added that's really long, you want the lines to be 0. So, make sure the lines are 0. It's kind of counterintuitive, but 0 lines means however many it takes to fill out the label in Xcode. So we have all that. And did we do a bottom one? No, let's do 30 right there. And then we're going to go into the price label here, and we're going to do the same thing. And that 30 is already applied. 5. And then, let's just do, 60. So, everything seems to be looking good. One thing to make sure, you want to set the content compression resistance priority. Just for one of these, you want to set it to 751 and not 750 so that they don't push each other and screw up auto layout. It's kind of finicky, but it gets the job done. You see, so the height of this plus the height of this plus this is going to be larger than this image view on the side. So it's just a little math equation you got to do if you want to put stuff on the side like I have here. But yeah, we're going to build and run. And there it is. Now we've used AutoLayout to solve a pretty simple problem. Other than that, if you have any trouble, shoot me a comment or tweet at me at Miles of Tweets. And yeah, take it easy.